In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively get in touch with Shopify support using both Google and Shopify's own support resources. Having access to reliable support is crucial when operating an online store, and Shopify makes it relatively straightforward to get the help you need. So let's jump into the process and ensure you have all the information and tools at your disposal to resolve any issues you might encounter with your Shopify store. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type Contact Support Shopify and press Enter. This search will bring you directly to a list of helpful resources, with the first result typically being a quick link to Shopify's support options. By using Google to start the process, you ensure you're reaching the most up-to-date support avenues that Shopify provides. Once the search results load, look for the link leading to the Shopify Help Center. This is the official portal for accessing all Shopify support tools and resources, so go ahead and click on that link. You'll be directed to Shopify's Help Center homepage, a comprehensive resource designed to aid merchants with any questions or challenges they might face while running their online store. Now that you're on the Shopify Help Center page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. Right on this page, you'll notice an option labeled Help Center Assistant. This assistant acts as a digital concierge, guiding you to the support resources that best fit your specific needs. Click on the Help Center Assistant to begin leveraging this tool. With the Help Center Assistant open, your next step is to utilize the search functionality. This feature will allow you to enter keywords or phrases related to your specific question or issue. By doing so, you'll access a curated list of articles, guides, and FAQs tailored to your query. To do this, simply click on the search bar and type in your query. This could be anything from payment processing issues to store customization help. These steps ensure you are leveraging Shopify's comprehensive support infrastructure, allowing you to troubleshoot and solve problems efficiently. Remember, the tools and resources provided by the Help Center are designed to empower you as a Shopify merchant, offering solutions and guidance tailored to the typical needs and concerns of online business owners. By following these clear steps, you can navigate directly to the resources you need to keep your e-commerce store running smoothly. Getting to know the Help Center and its features can vastly improve your overall experience on the platform. That wraps up today's guide on contacting Shopify support. Happy selling! And if you encounter any issues, you now know exactly where to go. Thank you for watching.